Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 search bar is not working. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your search bar is not working or has been stuck on loading or is stuck on black or white screen, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can do, you just have to open your task manager and just restart your file explorer. Now to do this, you have to click on this window button and just search for taskbar, or you can directly press Ctrl plus Alt plus delete to open Task Manager. Or you can press Ctrl plus R to open Run command, and in Run command you just have to look for Task Manager, or you can directly go to from here. Now in Task Manager, just look for File Explorer, or you can directly search for it. Just search for EX. So you might get it here. Here's the File Explorer. Just right click on it and then click on Restart. Once it has been restarted, it might reload everything in your PC, including your search section. Now you have to retry to check if your search section is not working or not. So if your PC is still lagging, so you must have to wait for almost a few seconds to restart everything. Now once it's done, just go to search section, and here you have to retry to check if your search section is not working or not. If it's still not working, so you have to go to services.msc. Now to open that, you just have to simply right click on your window button and then go to run command. You just click on run. And here you have to search for services.msc. Then click OK. Now after that, you might see this type interface. You just have to click on any of from here, then press W from your keyboard to open W menu. Now from here, you just have to simply look for Windows Search. Here's the Windows Search. Just right click on this and then click on Restart. Or very first you can try to refresh, but I'm gonna restart it. Once it has been restarted, your issue is now has been fixed. You just have to retry to open your search menu and just search for anything in your PC to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, so you can try to go to your Windows settings. Just open your settings app, go to Windows Update, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Windows. So here you can try to check for updates. If you find any pending update here, just try to update your Windows. And once it's done, it might help you to fix your issue. Or if your issue is still not fixed, so you can try to uninstall your Microsoft Edge. Now to do this, just go to this Windows section, or you have to open your control panel from here. So just look for control panel. So just press the window button and just look for control panel. Open this, and once it's has been open, go to programs and then click on uninstall a program. And here you might see Microsoft Edge. Right click on it and then click on change. Then click on yes. So it might be uninstalled. So once it has been uninstalled, you have to reinstall it from official website of Microsoft. Just open your Chrome browser, and in Chrome you just have to search for Edge download. So let's say I'm gonna search for Edge download here, and from results menu you just have to click on the first website of official Microsoft website and just download Edge browser. So here's the download option, just click on it and it will be downloaded to your PC. Now once it's downloaded, just right click on it and then click on run as administrator to install this, and once it has been installed, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.